Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's video we're going to dive into balustrade systems. Now the proper definition of balustrade system is literally any railing on either side of a staircase, etc., to protect you from falling, which includes banisters, spindles, wrought iron railings. Everything falls under that category. For our purpose, when we talk balustrades, we talk more of what you see here, which is a larger type bowling pin shape or any other type of shape baluster, and the balustrade system is the top and bottom rail. So the great thing about our company is we use the same molds virtually for all of our offerings. We're going to start over here where I'm going to show you our polyurethane offering. This is our largest system, which is a 12-inch rail. It's extremely lightweight. This whole system is a 4-foot section that literally I can pick up and carry. So that's how lightweight it is. This is meant to be as a product that takes over wood. With wood, you have rot, you have insect infestations, you have a lot of issues with wood. Whereas the polyurethane, you don't, because it's a synthetic material. So it's made to emulate wood. It is required to be painted. Extremely lightweight, as you've seen. The next product is our polymer stone system, which you see here, virtually the entire showroom. This is our primary focus because I genuinely believe in selling products that we can offer lifetime warranties on, have extremely minimal maintenance. With this system, you literally just have to check your caulk joints to make sure that everything's done properly. Virtually any size or style. If you don't find something you like on our website, I believe we currently have about 20 different style rails and sizes, and probably a couple hundred different baluster types. We do almost on a daily basis historic replications. This was a customer that had wood balusters that were cracking, falling apart, and we replicated for them in polyurethane exact. So we do that offering as well. We're going to continue with the polymer stone. The next item would be our fiberglass. So again, it's the same molds, same properties, load bearing, or I'm sorry, structural. The difference with the fiberglass is you will have to paint. So that now introduces more maintenance, which again, this is why I try to focus on our polymer stone line so that you as the end user has very minimal maintenance. And then the last product would be our FRP, which again comes pre-finished or paint grade. This is typically more on the commercial side. They're very large. Our biggest system, I believe, is about 6 foot high, which was done for High Point University. Extremely lightweight, durable, great product, but on the commercial side. On the residential side, again, I push everybody towards our polymer stone. Now, you do run into a situation where you may have limitations as far as weight is concerned. The polymer stone product is 1/4 the weight of concrete or real stone. So it is already as light as it can possibly get with the look of stone. Roughly our bigger system here, which is our 8-inch rail, that typically runs about 60 pounds or so per lineal foot. Obviously the newel posts are a little bit heavier, so we spread that out. If you do have a situation where you can't handle that type of weight, say on a walkway upstairs or a widow's walk on your roof or a balcony, again, the great thing about us is that we're able to use both products, polyurethane and polymer stone, using the same molds. So your rail will be identical in both products, your balusters will be identical, and then once you paint the polyurethane, you can actually apply a stone finish to it, which will give you the lightweight, and it will look identical to what you would have on the first floor. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or send a message here on our social media. If you have plans you want us to take a look at, we do that all the time. And stay tuned towards the end of the video. We're going to show you some great pictures of projects we've done with radius staircases that we're one of the only companies in the nation that can do that. And what we do is we not only give you the radius, but we actually turn or twist the rail so that the profile is constantly parallel to the ground. So stay tuned, and thanks for following us.